Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron with a hair dryer. First, gather your supplies: a spray bottle filled with water, your wrinkled clothing, and a hair dryer. Make sure your garment is clean and can handle a little heat. Lay the item flat on a clean, sturdy surface like a table or bed. This simple setup will get you ready for wrinkle-free results in just a few minutes. Next, lightly mist the wrinkled sections of your clothing with water from your spray bottle. You don't want to soak it, just make it slightly damp. Think of it like a light morning dew. After misting, use your hands to gently smooth out the fabric. This helps to loosen the fibers and prepare them for the heat, making the process much more effective. Now grab your hair dryer and set it to a medium or high heat setting. Hold the dryer about 6 to 8 inches away from the fabric. Keep the dryer moving constantly over the damp, wrinkled spots. This prevents scorching and ensures even drying. As the water evaporates, the heat helps to relax the fabric fibers, smoothing out those pesky creases. Keep drying until your garment is completely dry and wonderfully smooth. If you encounter any stubborn wrinkles, don't hesitate to lightly mist those areas again and repeat the drying process. Once it's perfectly smooth, immediately hang your garment on a hanger. This final step helps to set the fabric and prevents any new wrinkles from forming, keeping your clothes looking crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.